Do I pay a deductible for liability claims? Have you ever wondered what happens when you cause an accident? Specifically, do you have to pay a deductible for liability claims? Let's break it down in simple terms. Liability coverage is designed to help you pay for damages or injuries you cause to others in an accident. If you are at fault, your liability insurance will cover the costs for the other party's damages or medical expenses. The good news is that you do not have to pay a deductible for these claims. Now let's clarify what a deductible is. A deductible is the amount you pay out of your own pocket before your insurance kicks in to cover the rest. This applies to collision and comprehensive coverage, which are meant to protect your own vehicle. Collision coverage helps pay for damage to your car when you hit another vehicle or object. Comprehensive coverage, on the other hand, covers non-collision incidents like theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. In these cases, you will pay the deductible first, and then your insurance will cover the remaining repair costs up to your coverage limits. So, to summarize, when it comes to liability claims, you do not pay a deductible. Your insurance takes care of the damages to others. But when you are making a claim under collision or comprehensive coverage, you will need to pay a deductible before your insurance covers the rest. It is also worth noting that, if you have uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, there might be a deductible if you are involved in an accident with a driver who does not have enough insurance. Understanding these differences is important, especially when deciding whether to keep collision coverage or drop it. If you only have liability insurance, you will not face deductibles for claims, since that coverage does not pay for your own vehicle's damage. However, if you have collision or comprehensive coverage, be prepared to pay a deductible when you make claims for your car's damage. This helps you manage your expenses and insurance costs effectively.